Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll speak about how to fix or how to solve the problem of privacy on ChatGPT. We click on settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we click on ChatGPT. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.